Meghalaya colleges will be reopened from the 1st of February 2021. Following a notification issued by the Education Department, college authorities said that instructions which include strict adherence of protocol issued by the Health Department are already in place. The parents and students are being intimated in this regard. A notification issued by the state government said that classes are to be held in blended online and offline mode, which include lesson transaction, assignments, online interaction, and counseling. Parental consent for attending offline classes is mandatory. A blended approach of 3 days classes and 2 days of home assignment may also be considered to reduce the exposure. Use of face masks is mandatory and frequent hand washing with soap and use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Prior to resumption of activities, all work areas intended for teaching and demonstrations shall be sanitized with 1% sodium hypochlorite solution. Meanwhile, the principal of KL Bajoria College in Shillong, Dr. Wanba, said the college authorities are fully prepared for the reopening of the college and special arrangements with alternate classes for students has already been chalked out for smooth functioning of classes. Dr. Wanba said, the college will not face any problem with regard to social distancing as the institution is having large classrooms. He said the hand wash facilities and sanitizers are already in place as instructed by the state government.
Okay, I'm Dr. Wanba, Principal of KL Bajoria College. I would like to say that this pandemic since 2020 has hit us very hard. And of course, the college had been maintaining the classes, that is the online classes, as per instructions given by the state government. So just yesterday that we have received the notification from the state government that we would be allowed to open the classes in the blended mode, that is in the online and offline mode. But of course, prior to this, we had been having our classes in the online mode. Most of our students are from outside the state of Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, and of course we have from Manipur, Mizoram, and so on and so forth. We had been conducting classes and of course we had been conducting our tests and assignments as well. So we had been grading students, but students face a lot of difficulty also because of this online platform. So we hope that by reopening the colleges in this next 1 month, we would be able to meet the students and of course clear their doubts as had been given in the protocol itself. Give a few lesson transactions and of course assignments, and then maybe counseling also, whereby most of the students this time had really been hit hard. We would also like to counsel them. So yeah, as for the reopening of colleges, we're looking forward to that, but of course we have the notification that was given by the government and we would strictly adhere to that. First of all, yeah, if you can see in front of us, we have our thermometers ready, infrared thermometers ready, so we would be placing at the different entry points. And also with along these thermometers, we would have our sanitizers ready. We would place people there who would sanitize the students. And of course, at the different points, again, we would place these hand wash. Alright, so we have a basin outside where students would also have the option of not just sanitizing themselves, but also use the hand wash regularly. Alright, so apart from that, we have since we have received the notification from the Education Department, so they've also given us the generic preventive measures which are to be followed. And one of the first point being the parental consent. So the college has decided that we would be writing one letter to all the stakeholders, especially the parents, so that they would allow their children to attend the classes. We will not put it strictly that they should attend the classes, but it will only be after they get a consent from their parents.